Hey guys! Okay, so I think this is one of the videos you guys are probably gonna be most excited about, especially because of just like I guess the semi-drama that there has been, I guess, with like my opinions regarding the process of getting a Birkin, okay? And let me just, first let me just go a couple of things. I have no makeup on, okay, because I am in London right now. I'm here. I'm not from London, if you guys know that. I live in LA, but I'm visiting, and I am filming in my hotel room right now, and I just thought it'd be like appropriate anyway. So just want to let you guys know that. I have no makeup on, and because they lost our my bags, and they 2 days later finally arrived, and I wasn't gonna like buy all new makeup, like whatever. So I don't have any makeup on. That's the reason. All right. So, anyway, I'm gonna start out by saying this. A lot of you guys are right off the bat, you're gonna say, what the fuck? Like, you said you would never wear or buy a Birkin. Okay, I have not, actually, I'm doing this video, you guys know I don't like spend a lot of time thinking about shit. I did a video saying, is your Birkin basic? And I did that referring to people who don't play the game and buy Birkins, like brand new but not from the store, or secondhand used, and spend more money on the bags than they are at the store. Does that make sense? So at the store, Birkin may be, let's say, $8,000, okay? But then people will buy them for like $12,000 from an aftermarket place because it's very difficult to get a fucking Birkin. Like, you have to play this insane game. You have to like know someone at Hermes, like the person at Hermes has to like you and like take a liking to you. It's just this whole fucking game that I just think is so atrocious. Like, I just will not play it. I cannot fucking play it. I'm not gonna go spend so much money on things that I don't fucking want. That is what I said. So I said, yes, your Birkin is basic if you are going out of your way to not play the game and to spend more than the Birkin is actually at the store. That is what I said. So if you want to confirm that, you can go watch the video again. So I wanted to say that right away. The Birkins are not, I don't think a Birkin is basic if it's done the way I did it. Okay? Yes. Let me tell you how it went. Okay. Anyway, so I also didn't want to settle for color. I really wanted to have the color I like and the size I like, and I didn't want to play the game. The game is where you have to go in and like kiss these sales associates' ass, make them like you, spend tens of thousands, probably $10,000 on shit. Keep going in there, buying things. Like, I just think it is so, I just don't like that. Like, I just wish that like, you could literally just go in there and buy things you like and buy things you genuinely like. Don't have to like do this fake thing where you go and like buy things you don't even like just to make a connection. I just don't like that. I have no problem going in there and buying things I like, which I did. Like, I bought a wallet, things like that. Anyway, I'm just gonna get on with the story. So I have a lot of credit to give to someone. This was not me at all. I want to talk to you about a girl named Claire. Her name is I think it's Coquette or Chuckette. I always say I am Chuckette, even though it's wrong. I'm gonna link her below. You guys probably already know her. Okay, so we've been talking for a long time about this and that, and a couple months ago, I was like, oh, I'm probably gonna be coming to Paris, and she's like, why aren't you coming to London? Like, if you're going to Paris, you have to come to London. And I was like, yeah, actually, I would really love to. So we've been talking. We talked before that too. But she has a really great channel, and she's like a handbag queen. She has the most beautiful house. We're very similar. I'm like an amped up version of her. Like, I'm an LA version. She's like a London version, but we like very similar in different ways. And so I ended up, we were talking, and I was like, of course I would like love to go to I would love to get a Birkin, but not have to play the game. And she was like, oh really? She's like, I could totally help you get one. And I was like, okay, yeah, sure. I never thought that she would pull through or anything. Anyway, like, she did not have to do this. Like, she did not have to go out of her way to help someone who she didn't really know, like only through YouTube. She used her connection. She used like her name. She used her sales. Like, she's just literally helped me get this thing that I've been wanting so badly. She's the nicest, most real person ever. I do have to say too, because I was like, when I met her, I know this is like weird, but she is like, she is so, she looks different in her pictures. Like, I don't know if I should say this, but like, she's stunning. Like, she is so pretty. And I was like, I think you're like sharpening your pictures too much. I know, is this bad? Is this mean of me to say? But she is so pretty. She's so nice. She's so fun. She's so real. Like, she's just a normal fucking person. And there's just so many times, like, there's so many, I just never had a friend who was selfless. Like, she did not have to do this. And I really want you guys to, I feel like a lot of people get slack on YouTube. Like, I get a lot of slack. I'm sure she does for different things. And I want you to like literally know how genuine of a nice person she is. Like, she did not have to do this for me. And anyway, she totally hooked me up. I didn't have to like play the stupid game. I got the exact bag I wanted. We hung out for like 2 days. She's amazing. I like cannot wait till she comes to LA. You guys know I don't have any friends. And I was gonna come to London anyway without even getting a Birkin, but it just happened. Like, it just happened, and it's all because of her. And I just wanted to say that and give her, I need to give credit where credit's due. You know what I mean? Like, I would never, a friend has never done this for me, and she's a brand new friend. And this is to me, it's a big deal. Like, you know, people are very catty and girls suck. Like, I don't have girlfriends because they just fucking suck. And they're always backstabbing you. They're always jealous. They're always vicious. And she is not that. And I just really like her. She did not have to fucking do this. Like, who the fuck am I? You know what I mean? All right, I'm just gonna get started. I do have coffee here. I'm in my hotel and they have the best coffee. Sorry, I'm amped up. I just want to show you guys everything. What else? I just hope I'm not missing anything. I just don't want to like miss. I don't get you. So I'm gonna show you everything. This is the VAT form, and I want to show you guys that I got it from the store. I don't know. Do I do that? I don't know. People be like, oh my god, like blah, blah, blah. This is Hermes. I got it on Bond Street. Okay. Oh, I also want to say Bond Street. Okay. I also want to say to you, actually, she asked me to tell you this, and I need to say this. Please do not be messaging her asking her to help you get a Birkin. Like, that is so beyond obnoxious. Like, just because she helped me doesn't mean that she's gonna help you get a Birkin. And I know there's so many social freaks out there who might think that's like okay to do. It's not okay to do. So don't do that. Like, cause like, seriously, that's so weird. Just don't fucking do that. You know, I don't know why she did this for me. Like, she didn't. I just, you know what I mean? Like, I'm just so like, you know what I mean? Like, I would have never ever gotten a Birkin because I refuse to play the fucking stupid ass game. Like, I just don't want to. Okay, here we go. So that was proof that it's not basic. This Birkin is not fucking basic, okay? It's Alex approved. You're gonna fucking die. You're gonna fucking die when you see this bag, okay? Here's the bag, here is the box. Okay, so I also wanted a 25, specifically for 2 reasons. She told me that the 25 is better than the 30. I feel like it's a little bit of an awkward, like it's not cute enough, it's a little bit more serious. And I saw that when Charles had his little orange 25, I was like, oh my god, that's the cutest fucking thing, Charles Gross. And I just, ever since then, I just love the 25. And I've heard that it's hard to put your hand through, but my hand fits just perfectly fine. I'll show you everything. Okay, one more time, you're gonna fucking die when you see this bag. Like, okay, you're gonna die. Oh, also, I already did open it. I was like totally playing with it at the store, so it's not exactly like an unboxing, but I didn't take any of the stickers off or anything yet, so we'll do that together here. And then I don't even know, this is stupid. Like, what is this? Okay. Oh, I didn't want you to see the color, fuck. This is the raincoat, stupid. Okay, whatever, do I have to show you all this shit? Okay, I have to show you all this shit, here. Okay, you guys. And, like when I first saw the color, cause like the girl, the essay, she sent me pictures of it, and like I was looking at it online. It like was very, very fucking gorgeous, but like the color in person was like even more amazing. I was like, oh my god, like how is I was like it's too good to be true. It's too fucking gorgeous. Okay. You guys, it's like so fucking cute. Like, oh my god, this is so like, this is so like go fuck yourself bag. This is literally, that's the biggest go fuck yourself bag. I love it. Okay. Here it is, and I told you I already opened it up and everything. I was like playing with it at a store. This is a 25 Magnolia. It's the new color for the season, 2018, and it's a pink. And it's coming off darker in this viewfinder. Actually, I'm filming on my phone because I didn't bring my camera with me to film, like my filming camera, but my vlogging camera, the blowfish one, I didn't want it to be blowfish. Oh, see, I think that's more the color. It's like, it is like Mattel pink. It is, you know what the color is? It's the exact color. You know those two little heart emojis that like are the cutest, that's the cutest emoji, the little floating hearts? It's the exact color of the floating hearts. It is the cutest fucking color in the world with silver hardware. And this is called, I think it's called Togo leather, is that right? Literally, like, you guys know, okay. You know my Murakami, this is so stupid, it's not even like, you know my Murakami bag, there's just something about that white Murakami bag, which I never use, it's just like something that I have. There's something about that bag that I just, there I go, gotta get indigestion because I like talk so much, I'm like sucking all this air, I'm like so gross. But there's something about that bag that just makes me happy when I look at it. It's like the most perfect thing. It was like made for me. I'm very proud of that bag. It was like a bag that I bought for myself, like one of my first designer bags that I wanted so fucking badly, and I was on the wait list for it and I got it. This is another one. Like there's something about this color. Well, obviously it's perfect. Look at this size, look at this color, look at that hardware. I mean, it's just the most perfect specimen of a bag you could ever see. And it's all thanks to fucking Claire that I have this. It's all thanks to her that I have this. Like, she could have given it her. She could have, you know what I mean? Like, she could have helped someone else. Like, why did she help me? You know what I mean? I don't know. I would have never, ever probably gotten a Birkin ever because if it wasn't for her. Because I refuse to go in there and kiss ass and suck dick for a Birkin. Like, I will not do it. I will not fucking do it. You better. So anyway, bitch, I have this Birkin. I love it so much. And I just literally, I can't stop looking at it. I am so thankful for it. This is like the best trip ever because I got this, like, I don't even know. All right, so I can go talk and talk and talk. I'm gonna take this out. I can talk forever about it, but I don't really want to do that. There's this, and then the little hardware, Claire told me that you just put it like here. Let's take off this, you wanna take off the stickers? I'll mix it up and take off the stickers together too. I'm on the bed, like I don't wanna like, you know what I mean? Okay, there. So let's sit here together, and isn't it like the most fucking gorgeous thing in the world? And it does fit through my hand. It's like the cutest fucking size ever. And you know how bags make you look fat? You guys, I've been like, I look fat as fuck right now. You know how bags make me, like I have no certain bags like make me look fat. This bag is like, even though it's small, some bags make me look fat. This bag makes me look like the best person ever. Like, it does not make me look fat at all. I just love it. Okay, my watch got stuck on it. Oh my god. Okay, so there's that. Should we put this on together? Can we see what's going on? All right, I'm just so excited, you guys. I'm just so excited to finally wear it. I haven't been like taking pictures and, I think my, so I think this goes. So do you guys agree? Like, this is like the best color in the world. Like, it wasn't even like, and it wasn't even like, you know, she's like, oh yeah, do you want like, you know, some ugly color, like fucking brown, or like some weird fucking like purple, or like something weird, you know what I mean? Like, I don't want fucking weird fucking ass color. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I'm not like a big like dark like royal purple fan. I'm not like a big, I do not want anything brown, like I wouldn't want like a red Birkin, like but you know what I mean? Like I just wouldn't want it, and I wouldn't be like, yes. Like she honestly could not have given me a better like color combo option in the world, in the fucking world. So let's take these off together. So pretty. So are you guys gonna get like super fucking sick of me wearing this? Because I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm wearing this all the fucking time. I don't want it to get like, honestly, like, the thing is, like, I probably will never get another one, because like, how am I ever gonna get another one? You know what I mean? So I kind of have to be careful with it. What the fuck am I ever gonna get another one? No one will ever give me a Birkin. Just, you know, the hardware looks so gorgeous. Once you take that peel off, it's like even shiny. Look at that. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's on here too. Oh, my nails. I have to get my nails done too, you guys. Like, it's a fucking mess. But like I said, please go if you're gonna like, before you fucking irritate the fuck out of me and start commenting stupid shit about, oh my god, I thought Birkins are basic, bitch. Please go watch the video. Please, and listen, use your fucking ears to listen at what I said. I said, if they don't want you to have one, like, why are you going in there and spending all this money? Like, you know, extra money. Or, no. First of all, why are you going in there and like, kissing ass? Don't fucking do that. And why are you paying extra for a fucking, like, bag that just, you know what I mean? I took this one off already. No, I didn't. It's just, I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Okay, guys, so, oh my god, look how ugly I am in comparison to this bag. This, like, just not, I'm, like, not worthy. It's, like, so cute. It's, like, fucking cutest thing in the world. Ugh, it's just, like, literally to fucking die for. So, this is it, you guys. I finally got the Birkin, right? And that's it. So, that's it. Did you guys like this video? I hope so. And that's it. So gorgeous, right? It's like, I wish it would come out the true color. I think that's more it right there. How shiny that is. It's like, it like gleams. Anyway, that's it. Thank you so much, Claire. Thank you so much, girl. Seriously, like, I cannot wait till you come to LA. We'll have so much fun. I hope you come. Like I said, I owe this entire thing to you. Like, I mean, I know also, like, she's like, you really don't have to say anything. Like, that's not why I did this. You know what I mean? I was like, I know. We've been talking, and, like, I said I was coming, and then you were just, like, totally cool about it. But, of course, like, you guys know I'm, like, very open and very real. I tell you things that are going on in my life, and there's no way in hell, like, I was gonna give credit where credit's due. So, anyway, thank you so much again from the bottom of my heart. And I think like she knew I was like a genuine person too. Like, it's like I said, girls are so catty and vicious and stuff out there, and like, I'm not one of those people. So it, you know, it feels better to do something for people who are like more real and like you get along with. Anyway, so thank you again. I can't say thank you enough. And I'm just absolutely fucking, like, I'm gonna say the word gobsmacked because I'm in the UK right now. Okay, on that note, bye guys.